everybody, it's Lisa from the House of Jane. Welcome back. Today I am opening up the Kinder box, which is a monthly subscription beauty box. All sorts of products like lotions and makeup and skincare. And I got it at a really good price. I signed up for 6 months and I believe I pay like $18, definitely under $19 per box. And every month I've loved it. So this is the box for September. It is the sunflower box. There were 2 variations. I've been lucky and I've been getting the variation I want every month. So let's just get right into the products. First one is a bamboo eye mask, and I'm gonna open it up. This is one of those sleep masks you can use at home, on an airplane. Ooh, very nice. Here it is. I got the blue color. The only difference between the mask I got in my box and the other variation is the color. Mine is dark blue. The other box, I believe it was gray. Seems very nice. It's by Attitude instead of Attitude. So that's a nice gift. That is worth 18 bucks, and it's a bamboo silk eye shade. Excuse me today. I can't tell you how many times I stopped and started this video. This is probably my 6th take. I don't write a script. It's all me just talking. So just bear with me, please, because I don't want to start this video over again. Okay, that's the first item. And we do have 5 items in the box. The next one is a lotion for your face, for your lovely face. It is 2 ounces. It's by Timeless Organics. It's an intense moisture plus vitamin vitamin E facial cream. It is worth $30. $30 for 2 ounces. I would never spend $30, but when you get it in your subscription box and you know that you only paid like $18, $19, you feel like you got a good deal, right? So it has aloe and vitamin E in it. No smell whatsoever. There it is. It's not filled to the top, but it looks clean. It looks all natural. I'm excited to try it on my skin. So then we also have a single-use Frankincense Eye Mask. It's a one-time eye mask. You keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and it's supposed to revitalize the under eye area of your eye. So, you give yourself a little spa day, chill out, put it on. This is worth $5, $4.99. Very good. Now let's get to the makeup. Here is an Inca Organics Lipstick Crayon in Rose. Is it just Rose? Rose Petal, excuse me. It's very lightweight and it's made out of wood. I'll swatch it. Ooh, it's kind of dark, but it's definitely creamy. I think this shade would go with any skin tone. I'm excited to try it. I like lip crayons because you do not have to use it as a liner. You can line it, you can go in and rub it in and do whatever you want with it. And I think the color is gonna be good with most skin tones, so we shall see. That is worth $25. Again, another product. I would never pay $25 for a lip pencil, but when you get it in a subscription box, you feel like, hey, I'm getting a good deal. So I'm excited to try that. And then the last thing, which is really very, 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 very pretty, is this. It is a Pixie by Petra Hello Beautiful Face Case. Wow, I really like this. This is worth $24, which I think is a very good value. And it is 12 eyeshadows and 3 blushes. Really nice. So I only have a couple of palettes, a few palettes, and Petra is a mom and a makeup artist. Very nice. Looks like she's from London. And this is probably, all right, it's distributed by Pixie Beauty, which is located in Los Angeles, City of Angels. But the creator is from London, England. I love London. And here it is. Really sweet. And then it gives you a little breakdown of what you get. The 12 shades and then the 3. Either, you can use it as blush, you can use it as highlighter. Very sweet. I'm excited about this. It looks really clean too. So thank you, Kinder Beauty. So I'm gonna post down below all the details if you wanna get a subscription box. I'm on the fence if I'm gonna renew my subscription for another 6 months or not. I do have a code if you go through my link and put in the words "Be Kinder," and I'll have it down there, and you sign up for a subscription, even if it's for like, it doesn't have to be 6 months. I think you can even sign up for 3 months, 2 months, whatever. You can cancel anytime. If you sign up for a subscription with Be Kinder, you're gonna get a free product. The free product I got when I signed up was a facial product worth, like a cleanser, and it was worth $75. Sometimes they send a free product as a whole entire box in addition to your first box. So remember, put Be Kinder in the code when you sign up and you will get a free product. So that is the September box. I'm very happy with it. I'm wearing a lot of their stuff right now. I'm wearing their Mermaid Milk, which is like a moisturizer. I just love it. I love it. I mean, this, ladies and gentlemen, is over 50 skin. I think my skin looks pretty good. I mean, I can lose a few pounds, but I think my skin for my age is very nice, considering what I've been through in life. Anyway, thank you for coming by my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more videos. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. It really helps me out, keep my channel going. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.